hope you all are well. And in this video, we just go through two, three questions of percentage and try to understand the concepts by doing some questions. So suppose one question is this: 20% of a number is 8 less than one third of that number. Find the number. Like 20% of a number is 8 less than the one third of that number. What it mean? And find that number. Okay, so we try to find it. Okay, so what we are saying. The So in this type of question, always try to do from the back, here, from there, like one third of that number. Okay, so if suppose x is the number, and then we have to done the one third of it. What it means, x is the number, and then its one third is nothing but the 1/3. Okay, the one third of the number is equal to the 20% of number is 8 less than, and then we have to do nothing, just x, and it's 20%. So 20% nothing but the 20% minus 8 less than. When we 50%, no, it means it is saying the 8 less. Okay, when we do 20% of the number is 8 less than the one third, so 8 less also here, like, okay, here, yeah, this is the one, this is the thing we have to done. We have to solve this equation. This I converted this word problem in this equation. So if I do this, we get the answer. So first of all, we simplify it. So what we do, we convert this area and we just simplify it. Why that simplifying this? So what the meaning of percentage? It is nothing but I can write this as a because when you multiply anything by one, it itself we got the answer. So this, okay, and then minus 8 and equal x 25 by 1. It means nothing but 25 divided by 100, because 100 means nothing but the 1 by 100. I already explained in my video. So when we again simplify it, we get this. Okay, this what we get the x, and it means the 1 by 4. Yeah, so again it is this. Okay, now we have to do some side changing. Okay, so we got that the x y 3 minus x y 4 is equal to 8. Okay, because we just changing side. Okay, and then we take LCM of it. Okay, so 12 could be the 12 with the LCM. So 4 so here the 4x minus 3x, okay, whole divided by, okay, whole divided by, so this is the whole divided by 12, because 12 is the LCM and 8 is here, which is already. Then we simplify it, we got the x equal to 8. We change the side of 12, it is in division, and then when we change the side of 12, it comes to in multiplication. So this, and we got the answer of it. It's nothing but the 8 into 12, so oh, 96, I think. This is the answer we got. Okay, so first of all, I try to check it. Okay, so what is the answer? This, yeah, 96 we get. Okay, so you can, it is nothing but simple use of it here. So this type of questions comes in a competitive exams. Just you have to you have to understand what they are trying to say. Simply make their equation and solve it. For you, I solve it in a very descriptive way, like every line I write, but it is simplified. I do just in 2 3 lines. So this is one question here. No, no, not much use of percentage, but the one thing they ask, so I done it. Okay, so you can understand the trick. You have to go through from the back in this type of question, like number that of one third. So we write the one third, and the number we take as x, and that is 8 less. So just we subtract the 8, and is always means the equal is the 25% of the number. So 25% of the number, simple. So do this question. Yeah, we try to do this question. In this question, if fruit seller had some apples, he sell 40% apple and still have 120 apples. So what it means? Suppose the a seller have the total number of apples is nothing but 100%. Okay, 100%, and 40% he sells. Okay, 40% when he sells. Now the remaining is how much? When he sell the 40%, now the remaining is nothing but 100 minus 40, yes, so 60%. And remaining, okay, the 100% he have, the 40% apple he sells, and he still have the 120. Nothing but 60%. Sorry, the 60% value is 420. Okay, the 60% value is 420. And now what is the total number of apple he had originally? If the 60% value is 420, then what is the value of 100%? So we have to do just the simple thing is that the 60%, we have to take the answer, and we have to want the answer of 100%. Simply do this thing. Okay, What we do, we just do the 40 20, and you say that 6 it is nothing but, if you okay, what if you want to know the value of 100%, then nothing, just you have to do the same one thing, that this is the value of 40 20. Okay, and if you divide it by 60, so you get the value of 1%. Okay, because this is the value, what this is the value of 60%, and then you have to just multiply it by 100, so you got the value of 100%. Okay, I think you can understand. So when you divide it by this, so you got I think 6 7 are 42, and then you multiply it by 100, so you get the 700 answer. Okay, 700, sorry, yeah. Okay, you get this answer. Okay, this is the, or if you want to do this thing in a like in a fraction way. Okay, so 40% apples and still have the 420 apples. Okay, so if you write the 40%, okay, so the 40% is nothing but the 40 by 100. It's mean it is nothing but the 2 by 5 value. Okay, so you can see that 5 is representing 100% portion, 2 representing the 4% 40% portion. So from this you can understand the thing is that the 2 is the value of which we don't have, and 5 is the value of complete one that also we not have. But if you subtract from the 5, because 5 is representing a complete portion and 2 is representing the portion which you sell. Okay, so when you divide it by when you what when you subtract 2 from 5, so you got 3, and 3 is nothing representing, it is representing the 420. Okay, now what the value of 1 unit? The 1 unit value is if 3 unit value is 420, then the 1 unit value is nothing but the what would be when we divide it by 3, so it is 3 ones are 3, and 3 fours are 12, and 0. Yeah, this. Now we have to do, just we got the 1 unit value, so then we normally we get the value of 5, because the 3 unit value is 420. Okay, when we divided 3, when you divided 420 by 3, we got the 1 unit value. Now we get the 1 unit value, then we simply got the 5 unit value, because now we have to do the simple thing is multiply 420 140 by 5, so we get the what the 700. So this is the long method, and this is the short method. This be done with the help of fractions. Okay, and this be done with the help of percentage. Simple. Okay, thank you.